Good morning. My name is Luther Harris, and I want to talk with you today concerning current legal and ethical issues in education. Some of those issues are centered around religion in public school, freedom of expression, search and seizure, due process, liability and student records, as well as individuals with disabilities. We're also going to touch on the Code of Ethics standards as well. The purpose of this current and legal review is to keep educators abreast on legal standings in various areas that affect schools. One topic I wanted to touch on is religion in public schools. According to the ACLU, public schools should not be in the business of promoting religious beliefs or religious activities. There are three questions need to be asked when addressing religion in schools. Is it constitutional to teach religion in a public school? Can students form religious clubs? Can students pray in school? The next topic, freedom of expression. The U.S. Supreme Court has developed a separate body case law regarding the free expression of rights of students. Search and seizure. Search and seizure and due process deals with the 4th and 5th Amendments of the U.S. Constitution. Due process is the legal requirement that the state must respect all of the legal rights that are owed to a person. Due process balances the power of law of the land. It also protects the individual from it. When a government entity harms a person without following the exact course of law, this constitutes a due process violation. It offends against the rules of law. We're going to move on down to individuals with disabilities. IDEA is a federal law designed to protect the rights of students with disabilities by ensuring that everyone receives a free and appropriate public education regardless of their ability. There are 4 parts of IDEA. A, lays out the foundation of IDEA. B, lays out the guidelines for school children 3 through 21 years of age. C, recognizes the need for identifying and reaching very young children with disabilities. And D, the final section, describes national activities to be undertaken to improve the education of children with disabilities. Also, let me point out, to receive funding, school districts must comply with 6 main principles outlined by IDEA. There are 9 Code of Ethics standards for educators to abide by in teaching education and dealing with students. Those standards are professional conduct, trustworthiness, unlawful acts, teacher-student relationship, alcohol, drug, and tobacco use or possession, public funds and property, remunerative conduct, maintenance of confidentiality, and abandonment of contract. In today's society and in the future, we must understand the students are the main priority here. We must teach them as it is.